All right, stick around. We're going to be talking to Justin today about the Saddlemen DXT bags. So stick around and find out what these things are all about. All right, Kevin of Lifestyle Cycles. I've got Justin in here from Saddlemen Seats. He's brought in these saddlebags, the DXTs, for us to check out, and I can't wait to hear more about them. Justin, thanks for coming in, spending some time with us.
Oh, thank you. I'm just happy to be here.
We'd love to hear about these bags, man. Let's get right into it.
Awesome. So these bags are the Saddlemen DXT bags. These are going to be an OEM replica of the original T-Sport bags that the Dinos used to have back in the early 2000s. We are the only ones in the market that have an exact dimension replica of these bags. They are fully expandable, they are water resistant, as I've gone across the country with this exact bike, with these exact bags.
Oh, I know, yeah, you ride the crap out of this thing.
Oh yeah, man, so I've gotten caught in rain, one time got caught, you know, in a thunderstorm where I'm sideways on the bike, but
that's everything, fun.
Yeah. But everything that was in my bags, including my hoodie and, you know, a couple notebooks I had in there, still stayed dry.
Very cool. That's surprising for a cloth bag.
Exactly.
It's kind of unheard of.
The thing that actually protected everything that I did own is in this zipper right here, there is a seal. So within the seal, it prevents water from going into the bag itself, protecting all your belongings. These bags are going to be rigid mount. We do actually have a liner coming out for them in the short future or near future. So that way, when you go to a hotel or just traveling around, you put your liners in the bags. When you're stopping at a hotel, just pick them up and walk away.
Very cool. I've got that on my touring bike, and it's great. You know, you just got to make sure that, you know, your wife or whatever, you put that bag in here first before she loads it, because I've done that before, and that bag comes back this wide, and there's no way it's getting into the saddlebag. All right, Justin, so what is the fitment range on these bags?
Fitment range on these DXT bags are going to be from 97 to 17 dynos. It's also going to include the 18 to 23 M8 Softail models. However, a disclaimer is that when you do want to put these DXT bags on, you will need the clearance. Therefore, you'll need to have a 2-to-1 exhaust pipe and a little bit higher shocks in stock, or else you're going to be rubbing on the exhaust and, you know, everything can bottom out. Everything will be described in the instruction sheet attached to these bags.
Very cool, and we'll also have those descriptions on our website as well for our viewers to go look at and make sure they're not going to have a problem with fitment once they get these bags in and find out they've got to change some more parts.
Perfect.
All right, Justin, well, again, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to come in and talk with us here at Lifestyle. Really looking forward to doing these bags on some of our customer bikes down here. I know we got some in stock already, so check out lifestylecycles.com, get your bags there, or if you're local, come on down to our store. We also have 200 used motorcycles on the floor at any given time. We've got a full service department. Check us out. We're your guys to take care of you. Thanks, Justin. Enjoy your ride home, man.
Thank you,
buddy.
Kind of
envious.
Phoenix, here I come.
Right on.
Whoa, wait. Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.